ready.
I can't hear you.
I'm ready.
Oh,
We don't need an interpreter. We are ready to go.
okay, got it. Okay, Mr. Hilly, give me a moment. The judge will put us all on YouTube and all that stuff. So just give me a moment, and we'll get started. Brittany,
Yeah, Terry,
did you
we need the state, obviously.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Yes. Okay. Okay, Judge. Brittany, what?
Yes, ma'am. I spoke to Serena, and I let her know I don't have the police report or anything like that. And she said they're kind of on the same page because of the CW, so they're going to have to send it back to County Court 9.
Okay, then I will send back on page 4. Danny Leopold, send back no agreement. Correct.
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Thank you, Ms. Sparks. We will catch up next time.
Okay. Is that all I had with you today, Terry?
Yeah, I think that's it. I don't have anything else. I'm
Okay.
looking. Let me look again, Ms. Sparks. Let me look again before. No, that's it. Just that one.
Okay, Terry. Can I be excused?
Yes. I
Thank
appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Behrens, you ready for a plea?
Yep.
Okay, give me a moment. Good morning, Mr. Hicks.
Good morning. Can you hear me all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sounds good. Doing this live from my car.
Okay. Michael Garza is all you have today. Am I right?
That is correct. Just I got a
Okay.
plea offer from the state. Just need to go over it with Mr. Garza.
It looks like he has since bonded out according to the bailiffs.
Oh, well, there you go.
There you go. Sorry about that.
No,
At least it's in double one.
Okay, we'll see you next time. Thank you, Mr. Hicks.
all
Sorry to
right.
have
No
to make you
worries.
jump
Thank you
in.
so much. All
Okay.
right.
Bye-bye.
Terry, Judge,
Yes.
I have Apollinar at the bench.
Okay.
Hang on, Gongora
Mr.
was
Apollinar.
first. Gongora was first.
Which one?
Gongora Romero.
Which one was?
Gongora Romero.
But we need the state. We can't do anything without the state.
We don't have the state.
Yeah, they're conferring on like 6 other cases, I'm sure.
It's just one case.
All
Just
right,
one
don't worry.
case.
We'll be ready.
Hey, just go with it, Terry, okay? I said 6. Let it be 6.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Try
Okay.
not to build our expectations up too quickly.
Exactly. Make it sound better.
It sounds better.
There, sorry, Michael Garza, you said bonded out on the first page?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Hillary, Miss Eco. Let me bring in Miss. Okay, Jim, you got your offer.
I do. I'm ready to see Mr. Hoosie now.
Okay, give me just a moment. Serena, we got a couple pleas ready. All right.
Okay, who
Right.
are we on?
We're gonna do.
Who's the young guy in front of the camera right now? Is that Apollinar or Gongora Romero?
That's Gongora Romero, Your Honor.
Okay,
All
got
right.
it.
Let's do that one first.
Oh, I needed to know which one, because 2 offers had been set. It looked
The
like
jail,
which.
the jail time served. The jail
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready? All right, close number 736411. State of Texas versus Jose Gongora Romero. Are you Jose Gongora Romero?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Gongora Romero, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference this morning?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and anywhere from 72 hours to 180 days in jail. Bexar County Jail specifically. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. What that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Hilly can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Hilly can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. Gongora Romero, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Gongora Romero, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes,
Sorry?
sir.
Okay. Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes.
All right, great. Because these documents tell the court that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Gongoto Romero, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. You understand?
Okay, yes.
All right, Mr. Gongoto Romero, listen up. State of Texas here is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, Serena, please.
Yes, Your Honor, the state recommends a $0 fine. Court costs 20 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Thomas Hilly, is that the agreement?
Yes.
Mr. Gongoto Romero, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Hilly. Does your client have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge
Yes.
and the proceedings against him?
Yes.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes.
Mr. Jose Maria Gongoto Romero, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
No, sir.
Do you understand, Mr. Gongoto Romero, that a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. Then I ask you, sir, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead guilty?
No, sir.
All right, you're pleading guilty because you are guilty and for no other reason.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. I will accept your plea of guilt. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at $0 fine to cost of court 20 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Gongoto Romero, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Gongoto Romero, do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Thomas Hilly. Always a pleasure, Thomas. All right, now, Mr. Behrens. You ready to go straight into the next one, Terry? I guess she's otherwise
Yes,
engaged.
Judge.
Bob, you're ready,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
I'm ready, Judge.
This is cause number 740437, State of Texas versus Richard Apolinar. Are you Richard Apolinar?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear to tell the whole truth to help me out.
All right, thank you, Mr. Apolinar. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Apolinar, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
Mr. Apolinar, you have several legal rights at this point, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Apolinar, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Behrens, your lawyer, can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Apolinar, Mr. Behrens can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Apolinar, do you understand, sir, you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Apolinar, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, I did, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, he did go over with me.
Fantastic, because these documents tell the court that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Apolinar, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Great. And I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Apolinar, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Apollo, listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
Yes, Your Honor, the state recommends a $0 fine. Court costs 27 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
All right, Mr. Bob Aarons, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Mr. Apollinar, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Bob, does Mr. Apollinar have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, he's been able to assist in his defense, and I believe he's competent to enter a plea.
Fantastic. Mr. Richard Apollinar, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, I am.
Please tell me how you pleaded the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you, threatened
It's a
you?
no contest plea, Judge.
Oh, no contest? Okay. Mr. Apollinar, you understand, no contest plea, I can still find you guilty. You understand?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead?
No.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, I am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Apollinar. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty. Criminal trespass to private property. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court 27 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Mr. Apollinar, your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Apollinar, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Apollinar, do you have any questions, sir?
No, I don't. No, sir. No, I don't. Thank you.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well, all right?
You too. Yeah, we're blessed.
All right, thank you. Appreciate that. Bob, good seeing you, brother. Be good.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, laddie. All right, Terry, that's all the paperwork I got. I guess you got to do some stuff.
Ms. Criswell, you you need to talk to the state, correct?
Yeah, we're not gonna do a plea today. I don't think.
Okay, you need to still talk to the state or no?
Yeah, to see, she wants to transfer it to the community court program.
Okay.
I'm not sure exactly how that works.
Okay, we'll move to room 6. The state will meet you there.
Okay.
Miss Eagle, are you here with me?
Yes, I'm here.
Your client is not here at the moment. They're gonna put her on a computer somewhere. So just give me a moment and I'll put you with your client in just a moment. Do you have an offer, Miss Eagle?
I do have an offer.
Okay, got it. All right. Well,
Thanks.
give me just a moment. Miss Acevedo, Rochelle, you've got an offer on your client.
Yes, I do.
You got an offer. Okay, so you're ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna move you. Let me find out where your client is. Give me just a moment. Acevedo, I'm moving you to room 2. Okay, let's see who is next here. Mr. Hunt, good morning.
Good morning.
You have a couple of clients set this morning, but we do have Mr. Isaiah Davis here. But your client, Thomas Cortez, was in transit moving from one building to another. So they didn't find him. They couldn't bring him. So Mr. Thomas Cortez, can I move him to Thursday, the 5th for a reset on that one?
Yeah, that's
Are you
fine.
available Thursday? Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to reset that to Thursday, 12, and that is 12/5. I'm sorry, the 5th of this week. Okay, I'll move him to Thursday. Do you have an offer on Isaiah Davis?
We do.
We do. Okay, let me. I'm sorry. Give me a moment, Mr. Hunt. Let me find let me find out if I can put you in a room.
Okay.
Mr. Vale. Good morning, Mr. Vale.
Morning.
Good morning. You have an offer on your case.
No, I need to visit with the prosecutor.
You need to visit with the prosecutor. I'm going to go ahead and move you to room 6, Mr. Vale. So you can get in line and do that. And then I'll find you something, Mr. Hunt, in just a moment. Let me bring in Frankie.
Hey, Terry, are there any others that we're not doing? This is the judge. We're not-
Yes, yes, Judge. Let's go. This is on page 1, Judge.
Already
Michael
got rid of
Garza.
page 1. Yeah.
Okay, got rid of page 1. That bonded out. Page 2, Judge. At the bottom of the page, David Johnson. Those are resets, Judge, for
Okay.
Friday.
Got it.
Page 3, nothing. Page 4, Judge. We should have Thomas Cortez reset.
Yep.
You should have Danny Leopold reset, no agreement. And then
Yep.
the one underneath that, Ernesto Lopez, Judge, bonded out.
Oh, got it. Okay.
And that's all I got, Judge.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Criswell, what's going on?
Okay, so we're gonna transfer her or see about transferring her to County Court 15. I guess it's a new community court. So Serena said what has to happen is we send the case back to, well, it's in 9. I guess it's out of County Court 9. Then they will send the paperwork and she's gonna send emails today.
Okay.
Get transferred over there, and then they will actually pick her up from jail to one of the partners. They help them get their IDs, all their legal documents, and get housing and all that, because she's homeless. So, so that's the game plan now. I just need to talk to her, Brittany, one more time so I can explain kind of the process to her.
Okay, let me see what where I can find. Let me see where she's at. I'm moving you to room 3, Ms. Criswell. Please make it quickly. I got other attorneys waiting if you don't mind.
I'll just tell her real quick.
Thank you very much. Room 3, there you go. Let's see, Frankie, you got a offer on Martinez.
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay,
Check
I'm
my
gonna.
emails.
Okay, let me move you to room 6 to talk to the state and let me know when you're ready and I'll put you in the room.
Thank you.
They denied your access.
Okay. Ms. Criswell, thank you very much. Did you talk to your client?
She wants to plea out. She does not want to stay in jail because
Why
they
did I
don't
say
know how
that?
long it's going to take.
Okay, got it. Ms. Criswell, do you have?
I don't have an
the
offer on a plea, just a straight old plea. Because she wanted to put her in community court, but it could take days and she doesn't want to be in there for days.
Okay, got it. Let me move you, Ms. Criswell, back to room 6 to confer with the state and maybe she can get you that offer that you need.
Yeah, thank you.
You're very welcome. Mr. Vail, did you get your offer?
No, they haven't been able to get a hold of the complaining witness, so she can't extend me an offer at this time.
All right, Mr. Vail, do you need a week reset or you want me just to send this back, no agreement for now?
I couldn't get the state to give me a firm commitment how much time they needed, so it's up to you. I mean,
Ray, isn't it a criminal trespass?
it is, but there's a complainant involved because apparently it was at a hotel or one of these mom and pop hotel places. And so they need to run it by them about the fact that we're going to be recommending, or at least I was asking for a JSAT. And so they keep hold these folks. They said they need some time to do it. I agree with you, Judge. I mean,
36 days in, 36 days in.
I think they've lost the tenor of jail court trying to do all this crazy stuff like community courts and everything. That's not what jail court's all about.
I agree. I mean, they were like, "What can we do?" Community court said, "I'd be nice, except he's homeless, and I don't know, that he has."
Yeah, exactly. They'll screw it up and be freaking doing 6 months in no time.
Well, they offered me 6 months probation, but I can't take that.
Yeah, no way. You can't make it. All right, brother.
Well, I mean, if you want to recall it in a week, it's fine with me. I just want to get him.
It's up to you. I mean, I can put it on Friday the 6th if you want me to. Later this week.
Terry, it's not up to him because they're not extending him an offer. It's up to the state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So, I guess just send me back to the referring court. Maybe I can put some pressure on that way.
Okay, got it.
I don't know what else to do.
Okay, I'll send it back, no agreement, and we'll see if they send it back. If something changes, Mr. Vale, just let me know and I'll put the case back on the docket. No
I
worries.
appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Vale.
Good hearing from you,
Appreciate you.
Judge. Take care.
We'll see you next time.
All right, you too, Ray. Be good, kid.
You too. Bye-bye.
Ms. Criswell?
Okay, well, now I have more information that this would be a bad move on her part if she were to do this today. Can I talk to her one more time?
Yes, ma'am. Let me move you to room 3. That's where we left her. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Ms. Acevedo, are you ready for a plea?
Yes, we are.
Okay, got it.
You on mute? After this, it's over? After this, I go back? Why y'all keep it so cold in here?
Miss Acevedo, you say you're ready for a plea, correct?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Give me just a moment.
Are you done? Okay, come on here. Just take, throw your gloves away. Oh, okay. She said she was done.
Mr. Hunt, I'm moving you to room 2.
Can I confer with Mia real quick?
With the state?
Yes, please.
With the state. Got it, Mr. Hunt. I'm moving you to room 6. There you go.
Thanks.
Miss Criswell, what's going on?
Okay, she's gonna stick with the game plan of trying to get transferred to community court. So she's
Okay.
just gonna stay put for now because bad news if she doesn't.
Okay, got it, Miss Criswell. Then I will send this back to the original court. We'll see you next time.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Be excused.
Yes.
All right.
Frankie, did you say you had an offer, Frankie? Oh, yes, you were conferring with the state. What's going on, Frankie?
They're saying that Samuel Martinez is not in custody anymore.
Okay.
Do you have him in custody?
Yeah, that was Ernesto Lopez in custody, but I have a Samuel Martinez. Let me make sure, Frankie, hold on.
Thank you.
Frankie, yes, according to the state, it looks like he has bonded out, Frankie.
Okay,
I mean, according to
so,
the bailiffs, he's not here. So I think he bonded out.
Okay, so
Huh?
no Mr. Martinez. No Mr. Martinez.
No, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you so much.
All right, sorry, Frankie, about that. I
Bye-bye.
didn't
Bye-bye.
know. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sean.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Hunt, what's going on?
I've done paperwork on the County Court 15 case. We do have the two County Court 4 cases, and I don't think I received paperwork on those. But
Okay, the only one we're,
those will both be JSAT.
okay. You're, well, I know that, well, let's see. Yeah, you're talking about Thomas Cortez?
No, on
Okay.
Davis.
On Davis, okay. It's only one case is what I have out of 15.
There's
Do
2
I need
and
to
15 and 2 and 4.
Okay.
And I think I have the 15 paperwork in. You sent me the complete paperwork, but we're only working on the MTR, so we're good to go on that. But both cases out of 4 would be what I need paperwork on.
So I apologize. I think I was unclear in what I was saying is that the 2024 CC 74457 that I referenced, that one isn't an MTR. It's just another pending case out of County Court 15 that Carlos was saying he was taking into consideration. It's not an MTR.
Yeah, the other case is the MTR.
Right. No, the CC 723319 is the MTR.
Yes. And that's what we did. That's what we did paperwork on was the MTR.
Right. Right.
So in other words, you don't need paperwork on a TIC.
Correct.
Right. So we're not waiting on anything, are we?
Just on the County Court 4.
Well, I thought that's what she's talking about.
No.
There's 2 and 15 also.
There's 3 total cases.
Yeah, but I don't think 4 referred their cases over to us.
No, they're on the docket, Your Honor.
I don't see them.
I don't see.
I didn't either, but
Yeah.
I think we could take care of them if the court's able to.
Well, I don't know how they would. They don't have any.
Terry,
help me out. I've never had one that's not on the docket.
Neither have I. It's not on the docket today.
How about if I stop by 4 and see if we can handle them all on Thursday?
Here in jail court, are you gonna take it over there?
In jail court.
Oh, okay, yes. Yes, just go ahead.
I'm looking at the docket that was sent out last week, and they're on the one that's numerated 2 on the bottom. And I printed out the paperwork that was sent out by Miss Valverde for them.
I see. The docket Terry gave me, it's got one case. It's the MTR.
But it's out of County Court 4.
No, this.
I have a David Johnson 2 MTRs. I have those.
This is out of 15. So.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's what my apology.
Yeah, I didn't see the County Court 4 one.
I'm like, what did I do?
The caffeine has not hit my brain. I'm sorry.
I'm like, what did I do?
I have the MTRs. I'm just getting the people obviously confused. I am so sorry. Oh my goodness.
Are we good to try to do it on Thursday?
Terry?
On this, so on Isaiah Davis, page 5, we do not have an offer.
Oh my goodness.
You
I have
want to talk
offers
to
on
Mr.
everything.
Okay, then Mr. Hunt, it's only one case on Isaiah Davis is what I sent you, and he's in room 2. You want to speak to him?
Yeah, but Terry, James is saying
Yes.
doesn't want to make a deal on the guy because the guy's got 2 cases out of 4 pending. So he needs those.
Yeah, he wouldn't get out anyway, so we
Oh,
might as well
okay.
do it on Thursday.
Transferred to jail court for us to deal with them all together.
Well, Mr. Hunt, go ahead. I get my offers, I get my cases from the court. So they
Right.
didn't send me those cases.
Yes.
So you would have to get with them and then send me an email. Terry, put all these cases on the docket for Thursday.
I'll stop by 4 this morning and see if we can get those added.
Got it. Okay, then I'm gonna send all this back until Thursday. I'll see you Thursday.
Okay,
And
great.
that's gonna be the 5th. I'm gonna reset this to Thursday, 5. Okay, thank you, Mr. Hunt. I'm sorry about
Okay.
all this.
It's
We'll see
okay.
you.
Okay, great.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you. Thank you. Joanne, is your client by the name of Edwards? Yes, it is.
Yes, that's my client.
Okay, let me move you guys to room 4 and Miss Eagle to room 4. There you go, Miss Eagle. There you go. Room
Thank you.
4. All righty. Let's see, Miss Serena, we're ready on a plea. The first plea we're going to be ready on. Who do you have there, Judge? You should have a
Sean
Sean
Martinez.
Martinez.
Sean Martinez. Yeah.
Got it, Judge. There we go, Judge. Go.
All right, ready? All right, it's cause number 725-903. State of Texas versus Sean Martinez. Are you Sean Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Martinez, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of theft of service, $750 to $2,500. That's a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Martinez, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Martinez, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Martinez, do you understand, sir? You have those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, Mr. Martinez, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Let me share that with you. Mr. Martinez, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand what's in these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
Great. Because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all those trial rights we just talked about. But you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Martinez, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Fantastic. Then I will approve your waivers and have them file the papers. Cause. Mr. Martinez, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Martinez, listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
Yes, Your Honor, the state recommends a $0 fine. Court costs 123 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
All right, Rochelle Acevedo, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Rochelle, does Mr. Martinez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Sean Christopher Martinez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of theft of service, $750 to $2,500. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Martinez, you understand, sir? I can still find you guilty based upon that plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead?
No, Your Honor.
Doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. I will accept your plea of no contest upon that plea. I find you guilty of theft of service, $750 to $2,500, Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine. The cost of court, 123 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court at the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Martinez, this was a plea bargain, sir. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Martinez, do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you take care of yourself. Good luck wherever you're going, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank
Thanks,
you, Judge.
Rochelle.
May I be excused?
You may. Thanks. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Gary, I'm moving you to room 6 to confer with the state, okay?
Thank you.
Is that Edward?
Excuse me? Oh, yes, yes, I'm looking for Edwards. I need her. Okay, she moved to room. There she goes. Perfect.
Okay, so Terry, the second MTR was reset to Thursday?
For,
Isaiah Davis, I'm sorry, on page 5.
yeah, all that on page 5 is moved to Thursday. I don't know if it's got any MTRs, but the one that I did is not an MTR, the one out of 15.
Okay,
But apparently he's got other cases, so we'll just move it to Thursday and see if the other cases pop up. I don't know. We'll have to see what 4 wants to do.
okay. Yeah, I was like, what did I do when I heard my name?
Yeah.
I think she was getting the other 2 MTRs. mixed
Correct,
up.
mixed up.
Yeah, okay.
Mr. Gary, did you get your offer?
So the state has informed me, since it's an ABI case and they do not have contact with the complaining witness, they are not able to give me an offer. So it'll have to go back to the court of origin and I'll have to put it on the trial docket.
Okay, I will send this case back. No agreement. All right.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Gary. I appreciate you.
Could you put me on with Mr. Gonzalez so I can let him know what's going on?
Let me see if he's here.
Okay. If he's not, no worries.
Mr. Gary, I'm moving you to room 2.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Gary, yes, sir. There you go, room 2. All right. Good morning, Ms. Garcia, Juan Jaime Vasquez Flores. He's not gonna be presented today. I don't have him being presented, so I don't know why. Not handled.
Okay, thank you so much. Have
You're
a
very
good day.
welcome. Thanks. Bye-bye.
So that case out of County Court 15 that obviously caused me so much confusion, was that reset?
Yes, ma'am. It is reset to Thursday, the 5th.
Okay.
But if County Court 4 can send us the other cases, it's all he's got to go talk to them and because the courts are the ones that send me the cases. I don't just put cases without their permission on the docket. So that will have to be for Thursday. We'll see if it gets on there. See if they send me something.
Mondo with electronic maintenance 5252. Mondo with electronic maintenance 5252.
Yes.
Gentleman's also back.
Model maintenance 6135, model maintenance 6135.
Good job.
Terry, we ready on Joanne Edwards?
Ready, Judge.
Can you let the bailiffs know, please?
Yes, Judge, let me make sure the client gets out of that, because she's on a computer screen at the law library, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I messaged her to get to back to the main room. Let me see if she go to the main session.
Terry, she won't know how to do it. I can go back there and explain it to her, I guess.
Yeah, I put her on to move to the main session. All she's got to do is click the button to move back. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, go ahead.
All right, I'll go explain it to her.
All right, thank
Thanks.
you. All right, Judge. Miss Edwards is here. You can't see her face though. I don't know if
I need to see her. I need to swear her.
Okay. I'm gonna ask her to unmute. Miss Edwards, if you can hear me, you need to unmute yourself.
Put on your camera.
She knows how to do any of that.
Okay, let me tell the bailiffs to call over there to put her on unmute. Alice, will you call?
Just a minute. Now you're in the.
There she is. She's good. Terry.
Okay, she just.
Miss Edwards, you're fine. Hang on a second.
Okay.
All right, it's cause number 731-858. It's cause 731-858, State of Texas versus Joanne Edwards. Are you Joanne Edwards?
Yes, I am.
All right, good morning. Could you raise your right hand for me? Right hand. There you go.
Yeah.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Thanks, Miss Edwards. You can lower your hand. Miss Edwards, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes.
Thank you very much. You are charged with false report to a peace officer. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
Miss Edwards, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Miss Edwards, what that means is you could, if you wanted to, ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Miss Edwards, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Miss Edwards, do you understand that you have those rights?
Yes, I do.
You also understand, Miss Edwards, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, I do.
But if you want to give them up, Miss Edwards, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights and court admonitions. Miss Edwards, go over that paperwork with your lawyer before you sign it. Miss Edwards, did you go over this paperwork?
Okay. Okay, where's the mouse?
I'm going over it like I'm showing it to you. Did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes.
And do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes.
Great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But this paperwork tells me Judge, I understand I have all those rights, but I want to give up those rights so that I can get into a plea bargain on this case. Ms. Edwards, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Great, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Ms. Edwards, evidently you do, in fact, have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Edwards, listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
No contest.
Hang on. This is what the plea bargain is. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. The state recommends a $0 fine. Court costs 6 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
All right, Joanne Eagle, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Edwards, is that what you agreed to?
Yes.
All right, Joanne, does Ms. Edwards have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
Yes.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
She is.
All right, Ms. Joanne Edwards, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes.
Ms. Edwards, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of false report to a peace officer. Guilty,
No.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand I could still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, promise you anything to make you plead?
No.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Edwards. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of false report to a peace officer, which is a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court 6 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Ms. Edwards, your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Ms. Edwards, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Edwards, do you have any questions?
No, I do not. Your
All right, you
Honor.
take care of yourself. Good luck, all right?
Thank you.
Very welcome. All right, thanks, Joanne.
Yes, thank
Hey,
you.
hey, Judge, I have a bond hearing, so I'll be staying on until that comes up.
Oh, you got a bond client? Okay, fantastic.
Yes, thanks.
Well, I think we only have one more plea if we could just get the paperwork in.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Miss Edwards, you could just tell whoever's over there with you, the bailiff or whatever, that you are done.
Okay,
Good luck
thank
to you.
you. Thank
Welcome.
you.
Miss Eagle, I see you have, was it a Lamar Earl Richardson?
Yes.
Yeah, he's not going to be handled today. Not
Oh.
eligible.
Okay. All right. Well, then I will leave. Thank you, Terry.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Judge. I was just telling Mr. Altersdorf, he's just, we need to move on to other stuff. So you want to start doing the bonds, Judge? We got everybody here for the bonds.
What's going on with Altersdorf?
His client is still, they're still going back and forth, Judge. It is a JSAT, but it's obstruction of a passageway or highway or something. I'm not sure, but they're still conferring, Judge.